It may come as a surprise to some, but healthy larch bonsai can be partially defoliated through late May and the whole of June, once the new spring shoots have lignified or hardened off. This is a great way to improve ramification and allows for much easier wiring of the new growth. Make sure that the shoots have turned from their green spring colour or you will damage them. They should be brown in colour. Individual leaves can be plucked away by hand, leaving half a dozen or so at the tip of each shoot to prevent any dieback. This loss of foliage throughout the tree will prompt it to issue new growth by issuing new shoots from along the length of the existing branches. Expect to see some new buds emerge within 2 to 3 weeks and new extensions within 6 weeks. This mature larch bonsai has grown incredibly well through the spring, but it is impossible to wire it and or implement a design unless partial defoliation is carried out first. It will now pop many new shoots to increase ramification.